I want to switch on kidogo because we are resuming to National Assembly. With a lot of respect, I know that our party president is none other than His Excellency, the Prime Minister, Daktari Raila Amolo Odinga. And I want to take this juncture to honor our minority leader, none other than Honorable Wandai, who is my mentor in the National Assembly, very strong and parent up to the task. And now I want to recognize also my brother senator who does so well, and they have held my hands in the assembly and they are guiding me well. Thank you, Senator Kajwang, for the good mentorship. I want to speak to Honorable Wetangula Moses, who is the Speaker of the National Assembly. Tomorrow we shall be resuming. And I want to say that there are critical issues and fundamental issues that are touching on the lives of Kenyans. I want to call for a honest, objective, and time adequacy on debate. We are coming tomorrow. There is nothing like Oda side being given a lot of time to debate at the expense of the Azimio. I want to say that we are not going to give this government any chance. Right now they have changed games and they are playing and attacking the judiciary. This is the very judiciary which said that our cases were hot air. I want to tell this government their cases are also hot air. We are up to the task. The cost of living must go down. Where do I go? Where do I go?
Thank you.
Mogik niketo se krani kororomo. An kaka japuonj nyaka we wat mar e-citizen account makoro ketgo principles tesre. Nitiere minewa mamodo yien to tere sikul to kao yien to baro to chulogo nyithindo fees. Sani kor karuto sieko ni e-citizen platform emi chule fees. Jonyuol mapuro ma supply alote school mondo nyithindgi osom, nyithindgi bro somo nango. We are saying no more taxation. Get to reality, get to work, leave the road, and we champion there. Thank you so much.
Ward Chief